Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand.
The Eldorado from Cadillac is the longest-running American personal luxury car. The Eldorado has almost always been at the top of the Cadillac line and exudes luxury and refinement for driver and passengers alike.
And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.